All rise. Judge Deadbeat court is now in session. Judge, this is case number 1004, Sauer versus Moffitt.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Sauer?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However, that did not. We broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son, Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis, please.
Case number 104, Sauer versus Moffitt. The judge invites everyone to be seated. Miss Sauer brings her case to court. After getting engaged to George Moffitt, he legally adopted her 9-year-old son, Travis. But before the wedding could happen, the relationship ended. Now, Sauer is seeking child support, arguing that George, as Travis's legal parent, has a continuing obligation to support the boy, engagement or not. Narration. Welcome to Truth Court, where the stakes are real and responsibility can't be dodged. Today's case brings a heavy question. When promises are broken, what happens to the children caught in between? Kay Sauer claims her ex-fiancé legally adopted her son and must step up financially. George Moffitt, meanwhile, admits he adopted Travis but insists he shouldn't be held responsible after calling off the wedding. But adoption isn't a casual promise. It's a lifelong legal bond, not something you can undo.
Okay. Any objection to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her
Okay.
kid Travis he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid?
You
adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not,
adopted
but
him,
you adopted Travis.
I was getting, yes, I did, yes. I'm not denying that I did adopt Travis.
So, Travis is your son too?
Technically, yes.
Okay.
We were intending on marrying. I had a panic attack, Your Honor, a month before the wedding, and I ran out.
Okay.
I left. And we never got married. I don't make a whole lot of money, and
I'm not following you.
I don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
He misses you, and I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
Probably?
Have you ever done something that you maybe freaked out about? And
Yeah, sitting here listening to your story is freaking me out.
Okay.
Of second thoughts. Once the papers are signed, it's for life. Courtroom dialogue. George argues that he didn't realize what he was getting into, that he panicked before the wedding, and that he doesn't earn much working as a local mail carrier. He tries to paint himself as a good guy who simply made a mistake. The judge cuts through the noise. George adopted Travis. That means he is the child's legal father, with full responsibility, no exceptions. The end of an engagement doesn't erase a legal adoption. When asked, George hesitantly admits that Travis often asks about him, especially at bedtime, a heartbreaking reminder that this is more than
Everything.
I'm a nice guy. I deliver the mail, you know?
Okay.
I in this neighborhood, actually.
Thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome. I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffitt, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an obligation to support him. It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh,
Okay.
do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we, what? When is he asking about me?
He asked, he asked at night right before bed. I mean, you adopted him, so,
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Just scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
You know, when I adopted.
Mean to him? I mean, what's the? I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
I feel like, you know, George just, you know, George does have his panic attacks, but, you know, I just want what's best for my son, and, you know, and I want you.
George, being a nice guy doesn't override the law. Commitment to a child is forever. Closing narration. This case isn't about feelings, it's about facts. And the fact is clear, George is on the hook for child support. No last-minute panic, no small-town charm can undo the responsibility he signed up for. In truth court, promises to children come first. As the case unfolds, George has a surprising change of heart.
Postal route.
To be happy, too, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Oh.
So maybe I was wrong about you and Travis.
Do you want to?
Do you guys want to get back together?
What do you?
You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and get married. Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support. Sounds good, right?
Oh my gosh, that's so simple.
Keely, are you?
I still have the ring.
I mean, we could get married right now.
You can do that?
Of course.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, sure.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, Mr. Moffitt, do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffitt to be your husband?
I do.
Okay, well,
This case.
Suggests that maybe he and Kay should get back together, right here, right now. It's a sudden shift from legal battle to emotional reunion. Judge Bundaby, seeing a rare opportunity for resolution, proposes a simple solution. If they marry today, the child support issue disappears. Kay still has the engagement ring. In a matter of minutes, vows are exchanged in the courtroom. George takes Kay as his wife, Kay takes George as her husband, and with a few quick words, the case takes a stunning turn from child support hearing to wedding ceremony. Narration. Just like that, the court moves.
you guys are married and there is no child support.
Legal logic is clear. Under Texas law, when two parties marry, the obligation for child support between them is eliminated. Travis, now part of a legally unified family again, no longer needs court-ordered support. It's expected through their marriage. Courtroom wrap-up. Judge Bundaby dismisses the case with a smile, reminding everyone that marriage means mutual responsibility. No one owes child support now, it's all in the hands of the newlyweds. Final narration. It's not a typical ending, but it's a hopeful one. A case that started with accusations and obligations ended with a second
Ending we don't see very often in this court. So once you guys are married, no one pays child support, okay? So if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
The real question remains. Is this a true rekindling of love, or simply a last-minute move to dodge financial consequences? Only time will tell, and for Travis's sake, let's hope this marriage is built to last. If this case left you as surprised as we were, stick around for more real courtroom stories where the drama doesn't just walk in, it testifies. All rise. The Honorable Judge Bundaby presiding. Case number 104, Sauer vs. Moffitt. The judge invites everyone to be seated. Miss Sauer brings her case to court. After getting engaged to George Moffitt, he legally adopted her 9-year-old son, Travis. But before the wedding could happen, the relationship.
Okay, so I want to go over what you all witnessed in the case of Sauer versus Moffitt. This is ideally how you would want any type of child support case to be, where there is a case where no child support is being ordered. Well, in Texas, whenever the parties get married, it makes the child support obligation obsolete, essentially. So that's why in this case you didn't see that there were either one of the parties were ordered to pay child support or anything like that. And clearly Mr. Moffitt got it right. It's cheaper to keep her.